Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this tablet. First of all, access calendar by clicking on it. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create event by choosing plus icon at the top right corner. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add the title, change color over here, select starting hour or ending one. But if you wish to, you can also disable this feature completely by tapping on All Day. Then scroll down, choose location, type in wherever you wish to, or select Map and type in an address over here. Then go back, I will go with Cancel and tap on Day Before Event. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. When you're ready, go back and click on Don't Repeat. You can select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you and then click on this back button over here to go back. Now take notes and invite people from your contact book. When you're ready, just save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always do that by tapping on it and just clicking on it, and then choosing Save to save your changes. If you wish to delete though, you need to tap on it, click on your event over here, tap on Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!